Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to choose the right workflow actions in HubSpot using the full 2026 setup. Workflow actions control what actually happens after someone enters your automation, so choosing the correct actions is what makes your workflows truly powerful. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. From the top navigation bar, click Automation, then select Workflows. This opens the full Workflows dashboard where all your active and draft automations are stored. You can either open an existing workflow to edit it or click Create Workflow to start a new one from scratch. Once you're inside the workflow editor, click the plus icon to add your first action. HubSpot will now display a full list of available action types. These are grouped by category to make things easier to find. First, you'll see CRM-based actions. These allow you to update contact, company, or deal properties automatically. You can change lifecycle stages, rotate records to owners, create follow-up tasks, or set custom fields instantly after a trigger runs. Next, you'll find communication actions. These include sending automated marketing emails, sending internal team notifications, triggering Slack alerts, or even firing webhooks for external systems. These actions are perfect for keeping both your team and your leads informed automatically. You'll also see timing and logic actions. These allow you to delay workflow steps, wait until a certain date, or create if-then branches based on specific property values. This is how you build smarter workflows that react differently depending on user behavior. Every time you add an action, HubSpot will open a configuration panel. Always review each setting carefully before clicking Save. A small mistake here can affect hundreds or even thousands of records once your workflow is active. As you stack multiple actions together, your workflow becomes a complete automation system that can manage contacts, deals, communication, and follow-ups without manual work. And that's it. That's how to choose workflow actions in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. Once you understand these actions, you can fully automate your sales, marketing, and service processes with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you